Hey, you are watching Sanjay Rao. Let me tell you a bit about myself first, since you have no idea who I am. I was born in India in a middle class family, where the mentality of people is to study hard just to get a good job. I'm a postgraduate in the field of statistics and was working in a multinational company in information technology in India. I was brought up in an environment where I was brainwashed that I had to join a job to lead a stable life. So after post-graduation, I finally decided to get a job. I know there was no relation with what I learned and what I was doing for the earning, but the earning was very good compared to any other fields, and that made me take up this job. Of course, initially I liked the job very much and I was learning coding and really making use of it. But as time passes by, you get moved to a different role, which is called as a leadership role. Leadership is just for the namesake, but you are not allowed to show your leadership skills anywhere, but made to do a daily operational activities instead. I have spent 24 years in the same job, but there was no satisfaction even though I was getting a good salary. But I never gave up on my dreams. I still had that dream of becoming an entrepreneur one day, even at the age of 47. So I used to watch the successful entrepreneurs not only in network marketing, but also in various other fields. Then one fine day, I decided enough was enough and to leave my job and follow my dreams. The road to success was not that easy to come. I got slapped many times on my face. You know what I mean. The network marketing company which I had joined paying a high amount was shut down by the FTC, and I was getting pulled into a debt. All I was told in that company was to create ads and wait for someone to join, which really didn't happen. But I was still breathing. That's all I needed as a motivation. Oh, really? There was no other motivation left. But the motivation was enough for me. I just kept thinking, there has to be a way to get out of this. There must be a way to bounce back. I was not going back to that same job where I used to just wake up in the morning just to go to the job. I used to wake up 1 hour early just to avoid that traffic and leave office 1 hour late again to avoid the traffic. To come home, watch a little bit of TV and then go to sleep and again repeat the same every morning, waiting for the weekends, of course, which never came, because even on weekends we used to do work from home activities. And one night I asked for some miracle. And you know what? It's true when they say you ask and you shall receive. I was introduced to a millionaire mentor. I just had to follow his mentoring religiously. It was my first 1,000 commission that gave me more motivation to not go back to that job and keep my sanity. I had let go my pride and ego by then. That's the reason I could bounce back. I could bounce back because I had made up my mind that I was not going to be a volunteer victim of the system. I was not going to believe in the system that I don't have a choice of how my life would turn around. Before I finish this video, let me tell you one thing. Accomplishing your dreams and goals will not be easy, but they will be worth it. There will be many times when you will want to quit and give up. Those are the times when you must keep falling forward. So better have a right why defined. Why you want to be into this online business. The right why should bring the emotions out of you. The right why is not that you just want to make more money, but the right why is why you want to make that more money. Find the root cause why you need that money. That why will keep you from falling forward. Hope you find your why before you continue to the next step. The next step is to click on the link below to get to know how to succeed in online marketing.